Is your drag and drop feature not working, and you don't want to change any important window settings to solve this problem? You have clicked on right video. I will show you the simplest solution that work with every app and every Windows. So, whenever you drag any file, an option appears at the top which says drag here to share, but you can't find here that particular application to drop the file. This is very irritating. You may have noticed that when we bring the cursor here on the bottom right corner, we have option to see the desktop, no matter in which folder or application we are in. This is the solution of our problem. If you don't have this option, you can enable it by right-clicking on taskbar. Then click on taskbar settings. You to taskbar behaviors. And there is an option which says, select a far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. Make sure this option is enabled. So just drag your file, bring it on the bottom right corner, and when you see desktop, and you can drop the file into the app. I have tried this on all the apps that I use daily and it works with all of the applications. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.